Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an active Apple Music subscription and that Rekordbox is updated to a version that supports streaming. Once done, sign into the Apple Music app and authorize this computer, then open Rekordbox and go to Preferences to enable Library/Import or Streaming options. Make sure your controller is connected so Rekordbox can detect playback devices. These first steps let the apps talk to each other and expose Apple Music tracks inside Rekordbox. Next, you import or link tracks. Use Rekordbox's search for Apple Music or drag selections from the Apple Music app into a collection. Once added, organize them into playlists and link to Rekordbox playlists for performance. Make sure tracks are not marked offline only if you need streaming access. If so, download them in the Music app. Finally, run Analyze on new tracks so BPM and key are populated. This enables beat match and harmonic mixing in performance. For the final stage, you should test playback. Set cues, try loops, and engage sync to confirm beats align. If you notice latency, adjust buffer size in audio settings and restart the audio engine. If tracks are missing or won't stream, verify Apple Music region, family sharing limits, and that tracks aren't DRM restricted. Reauthorize your Apple ID or sign out and in again. If streaming still fails, reinstall Rekordbox or update both apps to resolve compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.